Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Maida over here, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys my winter makeup routine. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. And we sound like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. First thing I do is my eyebrows. I lately been loving to use the fine, the real defined pencils. The one I'm using is from Revlon, and I've been liking those lately because in the winter I'm very extremely lazy, and the fine brow pencils are quick to use and easy to use, so it's less work and it's less messy, and they're more precise, so it's easier to fix the mistakes. After filling out my eyebrows, I use any concealer close to my skin tone to clean out the eyebrows and define the shape even more. Today I'm using the Eyebrow concealer in the shade Fawn. It's not exactly close to my skin tone, but it's close enough for my eyebrows. And that's what I had close. And I'm lazy. I was lazy to go and pick up something closer. But yeah, it's just to like fix up the shape. You guys already know how it works. So yeah. Okay, now that my eyebrows are done, I move straight to my complexion and my face makeup. I use any primer that I have. Honestly, it doesn't really matter if it's summer or winter. All my primers are very mattifying. I have an oily skin all year round, so it really doesn't matter. I have to use a mattifying primer all the time. And then I proceed to apply my foundation. The Revlon Color Stay 24 Hours Wear Foundation for combination and oily skin is the one I'm using today, and I've been using it lately. What I like the most about this foundation is how easy to work with it is. Like, it's very easy, very smooth, besides the fact that it's very mattifying as well. You can blend it and build up the coverage as much as you want. I actually put 2 coats of foundation just so I can get the full coverage that I like, that I'm looking for. I paired it with the Revlon Color Stay Concealer. The shade that I have is kind of a little too light for me, so I added a little bit of the Eyebrow Concealer to mix with, and then I blend everything with my blender. To set my makeup, I used the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana. I used to hate this powder with my whole life because of how flaky and dry it used to look, so patchy. I don't know if they changed the formula, but right now it's definitely my go-to powder. Like, I've been using this for like months and I'm loving it. I just love it. I can't stop using it. After setting my concealer, I go right after with my face powder. I do not bake with my baking powder at all because I have PTSD from using this powder, and I'd rather not take the chance, even though the formula has definitely changed. But even if it was another powder, I would still not bake. I'm not a baking type of person. All I do is like I put the powder on, the setting powder, and then with the regular face powder, I'll just dust everything out of my face, and yeah, it just looks flawless and perfect. Then I take my Ace Beauty contour palette, and with the two darker shades, I heavily contour my face. With all the face masks and scarves and my oily skin issues, I rather use powder contour rather than cream contour. Mostly on a daily basis. This is something that I would do if I have somewhere to go that might require me to apply some makeup. My basic makeup that doesn't have to be the same as everybody else. This is my basic makeup. So I like to go heavy on everything. I do use cream sometimes. It's just not my go-to thing. It has to be like a very special event for me to use cream contour. I also do a little bit of a reverse contour to intensify my cheekbones. You know how it works. To look more snatched and all that. Today I used my e.l.f. Cosmetics blush palette. This has been my favorite blush palette since I can remember. I'm not gonna lie. I love this palette. And again, I heavily applied the product, but because I love how a heavy blush looks on my face. I know it's not for everybody. I totally understand that. But I had to dust some away because I kind of like put way too much and I didn't want to look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I also applied some highlight on the highest points of my cheeks and my face, as you guys can see. Okay, for my eyes, I kind of like to keep it very simple and minimal, mainly when it comes to everyday makeup. And during the winter, who really cares? You just want to look put together because it's not the time to be dressing up or looking all cute. It's cold outside. I usually only do like eyeliner on the inside of my eyes, and I put some mascara and or lashes. But today I was feeling a little, I felt like doing a little some, so I used this Juvia's Place chocolate palette to add some brown shadow. The shadow I picked was kind of like too dark, but I added some of the light brown to tone it down and it worked fine. The lashes I'm using are from Coco Queen Lashes, in the style Dramatica, one of my favorite. This brand is black owned, it's female owned, it's actually a girl from my country that I know. Her brand is really good. You know, she has a lot of affordable lashes that look bomb as fuck. So if you need lashes and you need something affordable, you know, you don't want to break the bank, but you want some flushy, hairy, minky lashes, you know, cute lashes, I'll suggest that you check them out. I'll put a link on the description box. And yeah. To sum up with the look, I did a little lip combo, a nude lip combo per usual, lip gloss and a brown eyeliner, and I sprayed my face with the Morphe setting spray. After applying my setting spray, I did add some more highlight just to make it pop a little more because I needed some more of that. I went ahead and I fixed my hair. And yeah, this is all for this video. I really hope you guys like it. I'm really happy with the result. You know, I kind of wanted to go out already with my hair looking bomb like this. My makeup looking so flawless. Listen, it was so flawless. Anyways, this is all for the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any question, you know, you want to comment whatever, say whatever, the comment section is open for everybody to say whatever they want to say. Thank you very much for watching the video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the support. Besitos. Mwah. See you in my next video.